Hi, I'm Adam Stewart. I'm an engineering intern here at RenewAire.
My name's Corbin Nikens. I'm an engineering intern here at RenewAire.
Hi, I'm Al Purvis, and I'm a digital marketing intern at RenewAire.
My name is Kyle Coombe, and I'm a digital marketing intern here at RenewAire.
What first got me interested in engineering was when I was a little kid. I would always take apart my favorite toys, kind of see how they worked on the inside, and then put them back together. At least try to.
What excites me the most about marketing is the freedom of creativity and the endless opportunities and ideas that you can have.
What excites me most about engineering is the design process. Whether that's creating something new or improving upon an old design, I love using different tools like CAD software in order to make that project become a reality.
My name is Megan Ziegler, and I am a project engineer here at RenewAire. So for the engineering interns specifically, I want them to get the experience of what does day-to-day as a design engineer or a product engineer look like.
What attracted me to RenewAire was this novel idea of energy recovery ventilation. I had no clue what it was when I first started, but then I realized that RenewAire solves two very important problems: ventilation and energy efficiency.
RenewAire was attractive to me because of the fact that the HVAC industry is growing so rapidly. There's an increased need for indoor ventilation, and the opportunity for growth here is amazing.
Two very big projects I'm working on right now is the redesigning of the company's career page and actually the video that you're watching right now, which is our intern recruitment video.
So a big project that I worked on at the start of the summer was prototyping in EV Premium X. And what was so interesting about this project is that I actually got to build a physical prototype.
Hi, I'm Margaret Riggs. I am the brand manager at RenewAire. It's always really nice to have a pair of fresh eyes on a brand, and I think Kyle and Al really offered that this summer.
Something that RenewAire does well for their interns is providing them with opportunities to explore their interests.
So I always felt like I was doing something important and it wasn't just busy work.
My name is Kristen Kellerman, and I am the recruiter at RenewAire. Interns should choose to work at RenewAire because they get real-life experience in the field of their study. Also, their work adds such value, not only to our company, but to our mission.
If I had to describe my experience here at RenewAire with one word, it would be supportive.
Independence.
Motivating.
Challenging.